So to get started, you want to put your cords in order on the board. So I've got my shortest cord here because this is the only cord that isn't going to be knotted with, it's only ever going to be knotted over. If you were doing it the opposite way around to me, you might want to put it at this side, but you could have it at either side, it doesn't really matter because you can knot in either direction for this bracelet. So for your first row, you're going to have two sections that you're going to be knotting. So you're going to knot over here and you're going to knot over here. So taking this cord, you're going to go over this cord here and pull through. And then under and pull through. And then for your other cord, you want to do the same thing again. So taking the outside cord over and then under. And for your second row, you want to take your two outside cords and put them out of the way, and then you want to take this cord, so the second one, if you're working in from the left, you want to go over and then put it tight, and then under and pull it tight. And then to complete your second row, you want to add a bead to each of your outside cords. And then once you've done that, you want to return to doing what you did in row 1. And then again, just repeat what you did in row 2. So you want to clip your second cord with your outside cords out of the way because they won't be knotted with. And then just do your knot in the centre. And complete the row by adding your beads at either side. And you want to keep repeating these steps all the way down until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it to be. So once you've got the bracelet as long as you want it to be, you want to fasten off the ends. So you could either put it into 3 sections and do a braid at the end, or you could finish off with a square knot and have 2 ends. So I'm going to do the square knot version, but you could end it however you like. So I'm going to take the 2 cords in the centre and do a square knot over those. And once that's done, you can unclip from the bottom of the board. You want to trim your excess at either side. And then you want to seal. So I'm going to use a lighter to seal, but you could use glue if you prefer. And you want to do this at both ends, and then you want to leave a few inches for your tie on end, and then tie a knot just to keep your 2 cords together. And again, you want to trim and seal. And you should end up with something that looks like this. And that is your completed bead macrame bracelet.